Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to bullet something in Microsoft Office Word. So let's say you have a list or you have any kind of text that you would like to bullet. Okay, let's first bullet this. We have list of countries and then we can underline it, and then we want to list these countries in a numbering order or a bulletin order, however we want it. If we want to number it that way, we can just copy the content, come to this icon right here, the 1 2 3, that's for numbering. We can click it and then we can select the numbering. So if you want this, you do, and as you highlight them, you can see it changing. You can use the Romans. Okay, so we go with the 1 2 3, and then there we have it. We can also bullet it by clicking on this icon right here that says bullet. Okay, and then we select the bullet that we need. If we need this, actually my favorite, so I'll select this one. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.